Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be going over what is in December's kit. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Open up the box and we have our brochure. Open it up and you will see some history of where everything started with Smart Art and where we are today. Flip to the next page and you'll get the introduction of this month's medium. And then flip to the next page and you'll see all the tools that you're going to find in this month's box. Flip to the next page and you will get your quick start guide to help you get a starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you'll find this month's challenge prompts as well as some pointers on how to get the best results using these products. Flip to the next page and you will find your skill challenge guide to kind of get a little extra challenge using all these products. And then flip to the final page and you will find everything that you need to get your Laurel points. And you'll also find here the Muse Kit community images from November. Alright, so the first thing out of this box is the detailed brush set 6-pack. This 6-piece set of brushes are excellent for precision and detail and fine line work. Great for using with acrylics, oil paints, and gouache. These brushes are ideal for miniatures, figures, model painting, rock and craft painting, and so much more. Alright, the next thing out of this box we have is the Shell Glitter Flakes Rainbow Set. You can add these shiny shell flakes to your resin projects to get a very unique design. Add these shiny shell flakes to your resin projects for a unique design with a fun textured look. These flakes can also be used in jewelry, nail art, resin pours, and so much more. With the variety of colors you're going to be able to choose from, you'll have everything you need this month to make some beautiful resin art. Out of here next are the Silicone Coasters Square Resin Mold 2-pack. Each resin mold is made of a very durable silicone for a super smooth finish for your coaster projects. These work great with your 2-part resin kits along with some glitter and alcohol inks to create a one-of-a-kind resin piece. Due to the non-stick surface, once the project is dry, the piece will easily release from the silicone mold, leaving little residue. Okay, next we have the silicone stir stick. These silicone stir sticks are perfect for mixing epoxy resin or anything that may be a little sticky. The silicone makes it very durable and easy to clean while still being semi-flexible. These stir sticks have a very sturdy core that allows you to mix with minimal bending. Made with a non-stick surface, you can easily clean these off for repeated use and longevity. Alright, next we have out of here is the Marabou Alcohol Ink Rainbow Additive. The rainbow additive transforms any color with a mesmerizing rainbow shimmering effect. Ideal to work on its own or to blend with other colors on glossy papers, ceramics, glass, metal, shrink plastic, vinyl, leather, and more. The 20 milliliter bottle features a nice and easy narrow precision tip. And next out here we have the Marabou Alcohol Inks Amethyst and Cherry Red. These inks are very fast drying, permanent, acid-free, and blendable. These are also ideal to use on their own or you can mix them together on papers, ceramics, glass, metal, shrink wrap plastic, vinyls, leather, and more. This will add a lot of pop to our pieces this month. Okay, next we have out of here is the Deco Art Dazzling Metallics. These are a premium all-purpose permanent metallic paint that adds an elegant shimmer to your art, crafts, and home decor projects. It's made with the brightest metallic flakes available and delivers an excellent opaque coverage. This paint can be used in a variety of different surfaces such as paper, wood, canvas, shells, stones, and more, with an excellent adhesion and durable finish. And with all three of these colors, you're gonna have everything you need to make some really pretty art. Okay, next we have out of here is the Muse Kits Epoxy Resin Kit. This casting and coating epoxy resin cures to a very clear and strong finish. The epoxy resin can be used in a variety of different surfaces such as wood, fabric, painted surfaces, dried flowers, plastic, rocks, seashells, and more. Once it's fully dry, the resin will have a very smooth and hard surface, and this is going to be a lot of fun this month. And now we have out of here the 100 milliliter silicone measuring cup. This cup allows for an easier and more accurate pouring and will prevent the liquid from remaining on the outside of the walls of the cup, reducing waste. Perfect for mixing, molding, casting, jewelry making, and a variety of other types of epoxy projects. Next out of here is the Silicone Coaster Holder Mold. This resin mold is made of a durable silicone for a super smooth finish. It is designed to make a holder for all of your coasters so everything can be in one place. This will be really nice to have this month. And the last item out of here is the Muse Kit Silicone Work Mat. This waterproof and heat-resistant silicone crafting mat can protect your desk from anything like resin, glue, burns, stains, and paint. Thanks to the non-stick surface, it's super easy to clean. Just submerge it in some soapy water for a few minutes and then wipe it off. The mat frees you from any worries about destroying your desk so you can focus on your creativity. Now let's get everything going and see what we can make using these materials. So when it came to this piece, I wanted to make a coaster that was pretty simple with colors. Once I mixed the main bit of resin, I just separate it into a separate cup so that I can add different colors to each one. With the blue side, I only added just a little more than a single drop's worth of the paint. This helps it stay pretty transparent. With the paints, just remember a drop or two go a long way. And with the other side, I chose to use just the rainbow additive to make it kind of a really shimmery look. And I was pretty liberal with the amount of this that I put in there though. Now the main reason I wanted these two to be pretty transparent is I wanted to be able to see the two colorful shells through either side. This adds a good amount of character to the coaster as well. But I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in December's Muse Kits box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now remember to check out the weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, as well as the weekly videos where I try to tackle each challenge myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using hashtag MuseKits, or tag us at GetMuseKits to get your 500 Laurel points. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on, and if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!